Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to copy trade on eToro. So if you also want to copy trade on eToro, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in www.etoro.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of eToro. You can see several options over here. At left you can find several options like home, watch list, portfolio, discover, wallet, etc. Scroll down. Under the more options you'll be able to find the option for copy trader. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can use copy trader to copy the moves of other investors. Scroll down to find the investors. You can also find your match over here. All you have to do is select your return, duration, and you can also select your asset types. Click on this option return. Now you can select the return over here. You can see three options: low, medium, and high. Choose the option that you're comfortable with. Now also choose the duration. You can also select the asset type. Simply click on this option right over here. And here you'll be able to select the asset types. You can see the assets over here. Simply click on the assets of your choice. Now all you have to do is click on this option right over here. And now you'll be able to find your match. You can see several options over here. Click on the option of your choice. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be led to the profile of the investor. Here you'll be able to see the copy option. All you have to do is click on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. You can copy their investment. You can see the amount over here. You can increase it by clicking on the plus sign right over here. You can decrease it by clicking on the minus sign that you can see right over here. You can also close this statement if the value drops below a certain number. You can see the value over here. You can edit this number. Simply click on the edit option. Now you'll be able to edit it. You can increase it by simply clicking on the plus sign. You can decrease it by simply clicking on the minus sign. You can also see the percentage over here. Click on the option percent. Now you'll be able to see the percentage over here. Now here you'll be able to see the option for invest. All you have to do is click on it. Now you've just copied the trade. You can also copy the trade of the famous investors. Go back, scroll down. Here you'll be able to find the trending investors. Click on the investor of your choice. Now you'll be led to the profile of the investor. You can see the performance over here. You can also see the stats. You can see the portfolio. You can also see the chart. Now the process of copying the trade is similar. All you have to do is click on the copy option that you can see right over here. Now you'll be able to copy the trade by the same process. So that is how you copy trade on eToro. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.